Hello everyone, my name is Ezifira. Welcome to another edition of Real Matters. So today I'll be doing a very quick teaching that I titled You Have to Keep Pushing. You have to keep pressing. No matter what you're going through in life, so that this is the plan and purpose for your life. Keep pushing. Don't stay at a place. Don't stop doing what you're doing, and don't give up now, because while you're still in the process, you're still processing. If you go to an ATM stand, if you slot in your card, put the amount of money, before the money comes out, what will they say? Processing. What will you do? You will wait till you get the desired result, which is the money, while you came to that ATM stand. That is the stage you are in now. You are still processing, so you can't give up now. In as much as it's not easy for you, but don't give up. Keep aiming higher. Keep looking unto God and know that He has a better plan for you. Let's look at the scenario of a pregnant woman. Maybe at the 9th month that she started telling her husband that no, I can't do this anymore. I can't continue. How will he feel? All throughout the month, she has been enjoying, she has been striving to see what she has carried in her tummy for about how many months, and then it got to the night which she can't do it again. It's not going to be fair. Nobody wants to hear that. Nobody will be happy about that. That is how it is for you. You're pregnant for your future. You can't give up now. And don't think about abortion as an opinion or any thoughts in your head, because you can't abort that which God has installed for you. You can't abort that which God has put inside of you. This time is the time for sowing, and there's also a time for harvest where you will reap what you have sown. So continue, keep pressing, keep pushing to get your desired results. Don't think God is not watching. Don't think God has neglected you. No, you're just your planting season, and each plant has its season of harvest when it will ripe. Don't envy others that is in the showroom now. Be happy for them, because your time is coming when you will also be in that showroom. That pregnant woman was in pain during labor, but when she gave birth, she did not think about that pain, because why? She have saw what she passed through. She have seen the child, so the pain she can't even remember it again. There is this joy when you have arrived at your destination. So keep pushing, keep aiming till you achieve that which God has put inside of you, till you achieve your purpose in life, so that you'll be very happy at the end. But if you give up now, you will regret it. You say, had I known. Imagine climbing a tree and you're close to just plucking the fruits. Immediately you jump down and say you can't do this anymore. That's how so many persons out there have lived their life. In the process of plugging that fruit, they just jump down and say no, they can't do this anymore. Whereby they're already close. They're already close. So you're close. Anything you're doing, you're close. I tell you the truth. Just keep pushing, keep pressing, keep aiming higher, and I assure you, you will arrive at your destination. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video really blessed your life, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you've subscribed, hit the notification bell so that you'll be getting more of this video. Like this video, share it to also encourage and